moving past. Chains in the dirt, didn't think it'd last. Every road I ran just circled back to a cross on a hill and an empty patch. I was cold in the night, I was called by name, found mercy bleeding in the pouring rain. He didn't turn when the cost was high, he stayed on the tree so I wouldn't die. Now every scar tells a different story, every grave lost its hold on me. I live because he lived, I'm free because he died. I'm redeemed by the blood that fell on a Friday night sky. I don't walk alone, I'm a child forgiven. I live for him because he's my father.